channel, welcome to my life and welcome to my house. As you know, my name is Val. I'm a girl who lives here in Caracas, Venezuela. On today's video, we're gonna talk about a new recipe. We are going to prepare empanadas, Venezuelan empanadas. First thing we're gonna need is water because we are going to prepare the mass. We need water. We need a bit of salt, like this amount. Some sugar, like this amount. We're gonna mix it all. We're gonna add some corn flour. We use this harina pan. Then we're gonna add it to the water. Okay? What happens is that the flour absorbs a lot of water. So when we got the mass, we're gonna let it rest for a few minutes because we want it in a specific texture. It's not like really dense, but we are gonna blend. We need it to be a little hard. Why? Because we wanted it to have a structure. Texture, look at the texture. It's still soft, so I'm gonna add a bit of flour until I get the texture I desire. Okay, guys, we are gonna let it rest. Now is harder. We can give it a shape. We're gonna let it rest here until it absorbs the rest of the water. Next thing we're gonna do is to turn on the kitchen because we wanted to put all the oil to get hot until we will prepare the empanadas. What we now need is this plastic. I use the envelope of an antique flour, corn flour that here we use a lot, and its name is Juana. But you can use any envelope or plastic. Well, now you're gonna grab a bit of mass like this. I like to make a bowl and then to place it over the plastic. I like to wet my hands, just the tips of my hand, because that will help me to not get a stick, that the mass doesn't stick on my hands. I have cheese, white cheese, salty cheese, and I have black beans because my mom loves black beans. So for this one, I'm gonna do a black bean with some cheese. We grab a bit of cheese and we add it to fill the mass. Okay, here's one of the most important parts, and what we're gonna do is to take on the other side of the mass and we're gonna smash it, the tips of the empanada. But you will have something like this, okay? Once we finish, we're gonna grab a round stuff, or a round shape, a circular shape, and we're going to remove the excess of the mass to give it a nice shape, and we're gonna press, okay? We will remove the top of the plastic and we are gonna take all the excess. I think that the mass is soft, so maybe we're gonna have to add some flour. Once we have it like this, we're gonna remove it. We're gonna have this shape and we're gonna place it in the pan. Once the oil is hot enough, we are gonna put the empanada over the pan, okay, like this. We're gonna grab it like this and we're gonna place it in this way. Look, once we have the color that we want, I just like to grab two forks and to turn it to the other side. Look at the color, okay? Now the empanada is ready. La empanada está lista. And we're gonna take it out from the pan. We're gonna put it here to absorb the rest of the oil. And it looks like this. Alright guys, we're gonna test the empanada. Listen to some. No. Look at the melted cheese. It's really crunchy. The ideal is to add some garlic sauce, but I don't have garlic sauce, so we're gonna eat it like this. And with a bit of Malta. Malta is the drink, national drink. It's like a beer without alcohol and sweeter. But, well, I don't have it, but I didn't buy it, so. Look at this. Marvelous. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please write in the comments if you want me to do any other dish, and if you enjoyed the recipe, give you a lot of kisses. Don't forget to give it a like, to hit the bell below to remind you that we are doing videos all the time. And see you in another moment. Besos!
Every week on YouTube, follow my dream and be part of my life on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest update.